As Mahatma Gandhi once said, the world has enough for everyone's need, but not everyone's greed. In the present scenario, where energy crisis is haunting over our own lives, these words are profound. We are exploiting resources for our very greed without knowing the fact that we are capable and gifted by nature with much more potential to meet our own needs perfectly. Instead of discussing the nearing deadlines of present energy sources, we are going through glimpses of some promising energy options for our future. Number one is of course solar power, which works by receiving direct solar energy from sun using solar cells and all. It's time we all realize its significance and accept it as our major energy option. Europe is the best example for execution of such a course of action. Number two is biomass, which consists ethanol, biogas, and biodiesel, which are made from plants and other food waste. Developments are taking place on a daily basis in this field of energy production, and it is indeed a great promise for our future. And number three is nuclear power. We have learned that nearly 16% or more of planet's electric power is contributed by nuclear power plants around the world. And some countries like France have gone heavily nuclear in that case. Fission and fusion energy could satisfy huge chunks of future demands. Recently, you might have heard about China's nuclear fusion reactor, HL2M tokamak reactor called as artificial sun because of its enormous heat and power it produces. It was activated on 4th December of this year. And the list goes on with such promising options like hydrogen, tidal power, space based solar power, geothermal heat from underground lava beds, and so on. Now, it's up to us to step up and get ready for this revolutionary process for us as well as for the coming generations. Thank you all.